Thank you so much for listening to me here today. I will discuss about RO process, how the osmosis is working, and how the reverse osmosis also the working. I will clear to you about RO process. Please see this video until finish. Otherwise, you cannot understand about it. Okay? Let's start this video fast. This is two process happening in the RO system. One is osmosis and another one is the reverse osmosis process. First of all, I want to share with you the osmosis process. Then I will discuss the process of the reverse osmosis. So, the osmosis process. The movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane from an area of lower water concentration to an area of higher water concentration is called the osmosis process. Now you can see the picture in the screen. There is the two picture in here, the left side and the right side. The left side you can see that there's a low concentration and high concentration, and the molecule of the impurities water left side, and there is two picture in here, the left and right side. The middle side is the permeable membrane, the SPM, semi permeable membrane. So when the osmosis was happening, that time the lower water concentration is going to the higher water concentration, and the end of the moment when the all of the water lower concentration is goes to the higher side, that time equalization is happening, that is the equilibrium condition. Yeah, I want to share one of the picture, that is video. You can share, you can see the video very carefully and see this, the how the happening of the osmosis process. So there's the left side in the lower concentration and the right side the higher concentration. The middle side is the SPM, the semi-permeable membrane. How they happening? Can the salt molecules in the right side. So in the water is goes from the naturally water goes from the lower side to higher side concentrations. You can see the video. The lower concentration to higher concentration water goes to the from naturally. So when the wall of water goes to the this side, that's the equilibrium condition, that's the equilibrium condition. And the next time they did the, so again in the previous picture, this is the left side and the right side, the osmosis how they happening. You already clear, maybe you know the when the video is showing to you. So this is the condition to how the osmosis is happening from the lower water concentration to the higher water concentration is the happening from the naturally. So now the reverse osmosis process is the reverse osmosis is the water purification process that removes ion, unwanted materials, the molecules, and the larger particles from the drinking water using a partially permeable membrane. So, final result is solute is kept on the membrane pressurized side, and the pure solvent is allowed to pass the other side. It's called the reverse osmosis. So you can see the video or picture in the screen. There is the molecule, the pressure salt molecule, the pressurized side. There the impurities water, and the middle point there is the semi-permeable membrane, and the other side there is the permeate water or the fresh water, and the water flow is right side. You can see this video. So when the happening it's that time the high pressure needed to pressurize to high concentration water side. When the high concentration water side is pressurized, then the water is permit go to the permit side. So let's start the video how to reverse osmosis is happening. You can see the video, the right side, the higher concentration side, we just applied the pressure. The water is going the process the semi permeable membrane to the permit water side, that is the pure water. So when the applied pressure is applied from the high pressure, that time the impurities water to using the middle side, the semi-permeable membrane, outside is going to the second portion, the right side, the permeable, the pure water, and the impurities are going to the drain side, that is the drain point. You can see the video again for the clear understanding. So how the happening of the reverse osmosis process. So you just remember that very carefully, or you just see that very carefully. The right side, the apply the pressure. When they apply the pressure, that the water is goes from the semi-permeable membrane to the permeate side, and the other impurities go to the drain side. You can see the again the picture. In the bottom side there is the drain point. When the impurities are accumulated, the all water the accumulated the drain water, the draining this point. Actually, this is the happening from the reverse osmosis process. So I'll just explain the next video from my the part 2, the RO system. I will explain the next video. Thank you so much for listening to me here. Thank you.